Today I will give you task. So please note your task and share with group for other participants. Your task is time series analysis. Time series analysis. Okay. You need to ask 4 questions. Question number 1. What is time series analysis? Question number 2. Why do we perform time series analysis? And third question, types of time series analysis. And last question, how to arrange data for time series analysis. Okay. For this, write another line with the last question within bracket. Get sample data for each type of time series analysis. Okay. Now also write another task. Generate sample data for each type of time series analysis in Excel sheet. And import Excel sheet into Jupyter page one by one and perform all type of time series analysis and plots with the help of AI and share these results, save these results and share within WhatsApp group. Okay. Please, if you have any question, you are allowed to ask because after giving you task, I am going to close today class. Today you will do practice and share your results. Your last class I will conduct on another day. So please, if you have any question related to today task, you can ask. If no question, please start your work and do practice and share your results within group. Rajab Hussain, please copy these tasks and questions and share within WhatsApp group so that all participants follow these instructions and perform work. Okay, thank you. Okay, now please start your task. And I am going to close live class, perform and share your results within group. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.